everyone. A very happy new year to you and your family. Welcome back to another episode of GobbledyCook. Today, I bring to you a beautiful recipe from the bygone colonial era in India. Railway Mutton Curry. Stay tuned. (1926). The British reign supreme in India. The imperial mail races through the darkness from Bombay to Calcutta, occasionally splitting the silent night with its piercing whistle. The recently introduced dining car is awash with the golden glow of light. Dinner service has just been wrapped up, and the elite passengers, comprising of British and Indian aristocrats, have retired to their cabins. The dining car, however, is still bustling with activity. Liveried orderlies clear away the gleaming silverware and soiled napkins. A British general comes in, looking for a meal. When he sees that the dinner service is over, he stumbles all the way to the pantry car and requests the cook for some food. The cook from Calcutta serves him some Bengali mangshor jhol or mutton curry. The fiery curry burns the gentleman's tongue, and he asks the cook to mellow it down for him. The cook obliges by adding some coconut milk that was available at hand, little knowing that he had created a legendary dish. Thus was born the Railway Mutton Curry, which became one of the most popular dishes to be served in station refreshment rooms and first-class dining cars during the colonial era. Now let's hop on that train and get to the recipe. The dish beautifully blends British elements of cooking, whole spices and mild flavors, with local culinary styles and ingredients such as the pungent mustard oil and the sour tamarind water. There are many versions of this story, but what is unanimous is that the establishment of the Indian Railways was not just a milestone in Indian hospitality, but it created a new trail of fusion food that blazed across the country along the train tracks.